Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to see easy Amharic words and phrases. The first word we're going to learn is Abo Shamani. Abo Shamani. Abo Shamani is cheetah. Abo Shamani. For example, if you want to say the cheetah is running, you can say Abo Shamaniu eyeruta no. Abo Shamaniu, the cheetah, eyeruta, running, no, is. So if you want to say the cheetah, you have to add the letter w to the word Abo Shamani. So the cheetah would be Abo Shamaniu, w. Abo Shamaniu, the cheetah, eyeruta, running, no, is. The cheetah is running. Abo Shamaniu eyeruta no. Abo Shamaniu eyeruta no. The plural form of Abo Shamani would be Abo Shamani Woch. You have to add the suffix Woch. Woch. Abo Shamani Woch. Singular form Abo Shamani. Plural form Abo Shamani Woch. Abo Shamani Woch. The next word we're going to see is grape. Wayan. 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 For example, if you want to say I like eating grapes, you can say any wayan meblat እወዳለሁ. Any wayan meblat እወዳለሁ. እኔ ወይን መብላት እወዳለሁ. Any I wayan grape meblat to eat or eating እወዳለሁ I like. እኔ ወይን መብላት እወዳለሁ. If you want to say he likes eating grapes, እሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳል. እሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳል. እሱ means he, ወይን grape, መብላት to eat or eating, ይወዳል he likes. እሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳል. If you want to say she likes eating grapes, you can say እሷ ወይን መብላት ትወዳለች. እሷ ወይን መብላት ትወዳለች. እሷ means she, ወይን is grape, መብላት is to eat, ትወዳለች means to like, she likes. ትወዳለች means she likes. እሷ ወይን መብላት ትወዳለች. If you want to say they like eating grapes, you can say እነሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳሉ. እነሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳሉ. እነሱ means they, ወይን is grape, መብላት is to eat, ይወዳሉ means they like. እነሱ ወይን መብላት ይወዳሉ. If you want to say we like eating grapes, you can say እኛ ወይን መብላት እንወዳለን. እኛ ወይን መብላት እንወዳለን. እኛ means we, ወይን grape, መብላት to eat, እንወዳለን. እንወዳለን. እንወዳለን we like. እንወዳለን means we like. So እኛ ወይን መብላት እንወዳለን. The plural form of ወይን would be ወይንዎች. You'd have to add the suffix ዎች to the word ወይን. ወይኖች 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 The next word we're gonna learn is coke. 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 Coke is peach. Coke. For example, if you want to say she likes eating peaches, you can say እሷ ኮክ መብላት ትወዳለች። እሷ ኮክ መብላት ትወዳለች። እሷ means she. Coke means peach. መብላት to eat. ትወዳለች she likes. እሷ ኮክ መብላት ትወዳለች። The next word we're going to see is, if you want to say peaches, you can say ኮኮች. Coke, watch. You would have to add the suffix watch to the word coke. Coke, watch. Cococh. The next word we're going to learn is injury. 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 Injury is strawberry. If you want to say he likes eating strawberries, you can say እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳል። እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳል። እሱ he enjoy strawberry መብላት is to eat ይወዳል he likes እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳል። እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳል። For example, if you want to say he doesn't like eating strawberries, you can say እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት አይወድም። እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት አይወድም። እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት አይወድም። እሱ እንጆሪ መብላት አይወድም። እሱ he እንጆሪ strawberry መብላት is to eat አይወድም he doesn't like አይወድም means he doesn't like. If you want to say I like eating strawberries, you can say እኔ እንጆሪ መብላት እወዳለሁ። እኔ እንጆሪ መብላት እወዳለሁ። She likes eating strawberries. እሷ እንጆሪ መብላት ትወዳለች። They like eating strawberries. እነሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳሉ። እነሱ እንጆሪ መብላት ይወዳሉ። We like eating strawberries. እኛ እንጆሪ መብላት እንወዳለን። እንወዳለን። The plural form of እንጆሪ would be እንጆሪዎች. You would have to add the suffix ዎች. እንጆሪዎች.